Hello students! Today I'm very much enthusiastic to enter into a new topic, improvement in food resources. How are you all? I can guess that you all have enjoyed the topic tissues and now eager to enter the food world. After watching all these parts of the chapter, you could become the best businessman. What for we are waiting then? Let us start. Bindu is back with one more interesting topic, like what is the first step we need to take to show improvement in food resources under the chapter Improvement in Food Resources in class 9th Biology. Come on children, concentrate well. Once the whole chapter completes, be ready to answer any kind of questions related to the chapter. Are you all ready? Right? Learning objectives. We are going to focus on methods to improve the crop yields. Favorable climatic conditions for improving the crop yield. Various practices and its advantages involved in farming. Different factors like photoperiods and seasons or climate affecting crop yield improvement. Keywords: agriculture, the art and science of cultivating the soil, growing crops and raising livestock. Animal husbandry, the branch of agriculture concerned with the production and care of domestic animals. Cereals: wheat, rice, rye, oats, barley, corn or maize and sorghum. Kharif: crops are sown in early May, usually at the beginning of the first monsoon rains. Rabi: these are sown around mid-November, preferable after the monsoon rains. Sustainable practices. Resources are finite or less, should be used conservatively and wisely. So, such kind of practices need to be followed, which increase the crop productivity without using more natural resources. Concept map. Everyone in this world needs food, especially a balanced diet, like sufficient carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals for healthy growth. So, as you all know, agriculture and animal husbandry are the main sources of healthy growth. Our population is more than 1 billion people and it is still growing. And we will soon need more than 250 billion tons of grain every year. As there is no chance of increasing the cultivation land, it is necessary to increase our production efficiency for both crops and livestock. Knowing this, government started keeping much effort into improving these resources. With the help of the Green Revolution and White Revolution, we could achieve success. But our natural resources are getting used more intensively and causing an imbalance in nature. Yes, So, there is a need for sustainable practices in agriculture and animal husbandry. Scientific management practices should be undertaken to obtain high yields from farms. So, finally one day after the global summit, government decided that for a sustained livelihood, one should undertake mixed farming, intercropping and integrated farming practices. This means combining agriculture with livestock, poultry, fisheries and beekeeping. Wow! How? That is what we are going to watch in this lesson. Before going to that, let us focus on what kind of crops need to be improved. What are the climatic conditions? The practices involved along with factors and advantages. Which kind of crops do we need to improve? Cereals, carbohydrates, wheat, rice, maize, millets, sorghum, pulses, protein, gram or chana, pea or matar, black gram or urad dal, green gram or moong, pigeon pea or arhar dal, lentil or masoor dal, oils, fats, soya bean, groundnut, sesame, castor, mustard, linseed and sunflower, vitamins and minerals, fruits and vegetables, food and fodder crops, barsim, oats or southern grass as food for livestock. What are the best climatic conditions? Generally, photoperiods and temperature are essential for the growth and completion of the plant life cycle. Photoperiods means related to the duration of sunlight. The growth and flowering of plants depend on sunlight. Plants prepare their food in sunlight. Seasons or climate. Rainy season, kharif crops are grown in the months starting from June to October. Example, wheat, gram, peas, mustard, linseed oil. Winter season. Rabi crops are grown in the month starting from November to April. Example, paddy, soybean, pigeon pea, maize, cotton, green gram, black gram. What could be the practices involved in farming? There are 3 stages of practices involved in farming. Choice of seeds for planting, nurturing of the crop plants, protection of growing and harvested crops from loss. Do you know that there are some activities to improve crop yields? Crop variety improvement. Crop production improvement. Crop protection management. To know more about this practice, you need to watch the next video, where we understand the methods to improve crop variety and yield. Points to remember. The revolution associated with a sharp increase in milk production in the country is called the White Revolution in India, also known as Operation Flood. The great improvement in the production of food grains and other agricultural produce during the period 1960 to 80 is described as Green Revolution in Indian agriculture. It is known as the Golden Era of Indian agriculture. Factors that need to be improved to increase agriculture are photoperiods, climatic conditions, and good practices like crop variety improvement and crop production management and crop protection management. Recall. Okay, now you understood that there is something interesting to watch in the next video, in which we are going to know about the characteristics of good crop, hybridization, its advantages, and various activities to improve crop yield. Don't miss.